separation process can be speeded up by the use of a centrifuge, also known as centrifugal separator, and can be arranged as a continuous process. Generally, centrifuge or centrifugal separator can be classified into 1. Clarifier. 2. Purifier. Clarifier. Used for separating liquid and solid impurities, example, fuel and cat fines or sludge. Working principle of clarifier. Cleaning the oil which contains little or no water, is achieved in a clarifier bowl, where the impurities and water collect at the bowl periphery. A clarifier bowl has only one outlet pipe. No interface is formed, the bowl therefore operates at maximum separating efficiency, since the oil is subjected to the maximum centrifugal force. The untreated oil is introduced to the rotating centrifuge bowl from the top, and is accelerated in a distributor before entering the disc stack. It is between the discs that the separation of the solid impurities takes place. The cleaned oil face moves upward, and is discharged by a pairing disc, or a centripetal pump, from the bowl to the service tank. The heavier solids phase is collected at the bowl periphery, and either discharged out by manual or self-cleaning clarifier, to the sludge tank. Purifier. Used for the separation of two liquids of different densities, example, fuel and water. Working principle of purifier. The centrifugal separation of two liquids, such as oil and water, results in the formation of a cylindrical interface between the two liquids. The positioning of this interface within the centrifuge is very important for correct operation. The setting or positioning of the interface is achieved by the use of damping or gravity disc at the outlet of the centrifuge. Various diameter rings or discs are available for each centrifuge when different densities of oil are used. As a general rule, the largest diameter ring or disc which does not break the seal, should be used. The untreated oil is introduced to the rotating centrifuge bowl from the top, and is accelerated in a distributor, before entering the disc stack. It is between the discs that the separation of the two liquid phases, and the solids takes place. The cleaned oil phase moves towards the center of the bowl, and is discharged by a pairing disc, or centripetal pump, to the service tank. The water phase leaves the bowl to the sludge tank. The heavier solids phase is collected at the bowl periphery, and either discharged out, by manual or self-cleaning purifier to the sludge tank. Functions of gravity disc or dam ring. 1. Control the output quality of fuel. 2. Creating the interface between the oil and water. 3. Maintaining the back pressure. Gravity disc or dam ring size selection. 1. Using nomogram. 2. By trial and error method. The marine industry faces major change. With new regulations to curb sulfur emissions starting January 2020, the global fleet will be confronted with a range of new fuels. Different fuel products have different viscosity, density, lubricity and temperature needs. Fuel line equipment must be precisely configured to handle each type. Safety and efficiency depend on it. All cap separators can handle the challenge. Traditional separator designs use the gravity disc that needs to be manually adjusted to every fuel type. All cap separator do away with the gravity disc, automatically adjusting for interruption-free operation. The separator uses a flow control disc, instead of the standard gravity disc. Also, unlike other designs, all cap separator act as both clarifier, discharging cat fines and other solids, and purifier, detecting and automatically discharging water from the bowl when needed. That means maximum separation efficiency, and minimum oil waste. Working principle of all cap separator. Oil is fed into the system through the oil inlet. The separated water and sludge accumulates at the bowl periphery. The purified oil is discharged through the oil outlet. It operates similar to a clarifier. A transducer is situated on the oil outlet side. It senses the water content and activates the control unit. When the accumulation of separated water increases, the water approaches the disc, and part of the water is carried over with the clean oil. The water transducer senses the water in the oil, and sends a signal to the control unit. The control unit opens the water drain valve. The accumulated water flows through the hole in the flow control disc, and drain through the valve. It operates similar to a purifier. The accumulated water can also be removed through the sludge port along with the sludge, during desludging.